Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome and thank you for watching. As you can tell by the title, today we are doing an Ali Pearl hair review, guys. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so they sent me a 13x4 HD lace wig. It is the texture deep wave and it is 22 inches long. Honestly, right when I took this hair out of the pack, I was like, ooh, and the knots already come bleached. The lace comes already pre-plucked. Y'all, they done did they big one with these wigs. It also comes with a band on the back. Actually, 2 bands on the back for extra protection. I really love that because if you want to wear this wig glueless, you can. With the wig, they sent me a few goodies. They sent me a little mirror with their name on it. They also sent me some lashes. They sent me a edge band. They also sent 2 HD caps. Y'all, I love that because I always need caps. And they also sent me a silk bag to put my wig in. Now let's get into it for real. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hair ready. Y'all, that look like a movie, don't it? I'm going to go ahead and get my hair ready to put this wig on. Of course, you don't want your edges touching that glue. So we're going to make sure our edges are pushed back and we're going to put that cap on, okay? Make sure after you put that cap on, you cut around your ears so you can get that glue right by your ears so your cap can lay down. All right, so after we've got our cap on, we're just going to go in with some Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive in the watermelon scent. Y'all, this glue smells so good. I love this glue. And we're just going to go ahead and glue our cap down. For this part, you can take an edge brush or a popsicle stick, or you can actually use your finger to smooth the glue out on top of your cap. When doing this step, try not to get glue on your hair because we don't want our edges falling out, right? Now we're gonna take our blow dryer and blow dry the glue so that it turns clear. After the glue turns clear and it dries all the way, we're just gonna go ahead and take our small scissors and cut the cap off. Check this wig out, y'all. Look at the knots. Like, they are literally gone. I don't see any black knots. I love this wig so much. And look at the lace. It's so thin and great. The lace is also big enough to do any part you would like. So let's go ahead and start putting this wig on. Here, I'm just going to apply the glue above my hairline where the cap is. And I'm going to apply little dots. You don't have to use as much product as I did because, you know, I like to use a lot of products. Sorry. In my previous video, I talked to you guys about that. It's not really good to use a lot of products. You know, you want to save your products. But me, I use a lot. So forgive me, y'all. I did use a lot, so I just only applied 1 coat. You usually could apply like 2 to 3 coats. But for this time, I just did 1 coat. Now for the part you guys been waiting to see, let's go ahead and put the wig on. Y'all, I did not have to tint this lace at all. I literally just put it on my head. With the knots already coming pre-bleached and the lace coming pre-plugged, it saved me a lot of time. I literally just took this wig out of the box and threw it on my head. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace to my head shape. When doing this part, it is so tedious because you have to be careful not to cut your own ear. It's best to use a razor, but scissors or a razor, you still could accidentally cut your ear, so just be careful. After I cut the ear flaps, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the wig down so that it's fitting tight on my head. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. And I do have to tell y'all, one thing that I liked about this wig was I did not have to spray any water on it. It already came like very shiny and the curls were already like popping, so I really didn't have to do anything to this wig. Now that the wig is on, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the extra lace off of the wig. Let me just give y'all a close-up. Do y'all see this wig, y'all? Look at this lace. Like, look at the knots. Like, where are the knots? Do y'all see the knots? So now that I've did that side, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Don't mind my face, y'all. I was so focused. I'm so amazed by this lace. Like, the hair looked like it's coming out of my scalp. Right here, I could definitely go for a no baby hair look, but I love baby hair. It just goes great with a curly wig. So baby hair it is. I really liked how thin the hairline was. It was so easy for me to pull out my baby hair and create my baby hair on my wig. I feel like a lot of baby hair is just too much on a wig. So I do like that the hairline is like super thin. So now I'm just going through the melting process with my even adhesive spray. I do love using that spray for the melting process because it just does what it's supposed to do. Now I'm just going to take the edge band that came in the box and I'm just going to go ahead and open it and put it on my edges. There is two sides to the edge band. There's like a sparkly side and a black side. I did use the other side because I just don't know if that sparkly is gonna get on my wig or not, and I was playing it safe. While my lace is in the melting process, I like to go in with my hot comb and just pull the rest of the hair going back because when I get ready to do my baby hair, I do like for my hair to be out the way. Look at how flawless this hair is, y'all. I really love it. It's so pretty. The hair is very thick. It's very soft. I can literally just run my hands straight through it, y'all. After the melting process is complete, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my edge band off. And y'all, look at the lace. It's popping. I did decide that I was gonna go with a half up, half down look. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just parting out my style. After I finish parting out the top, I'm just going to go ahead and pin it so I can start getting ready to style my hair. I did do a quarter, half up, half down, guys. I like leaving my sides out, so that's exactly what I did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the wax stick and press the sides out. The wig was very easy to style. I do like that as well. I like when I pulled up the ponytail that the hair was very thick. I usually use an extra bundle to do the top part. Like I wrap the bundle around the ponytail, but I did not have to do that with this wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the top part just like how you would do any half up, half down. I sprayed some of my adhesive spray on there and blow dried it into that ponytail. Here I'm just styling my hair like so. I use the thick rubber bands because they last longer than the smaller rubber bands. You know, I just want y'all to look at this lace. Like, this lace looks like my hair. This is so crazy. Now that the style is finished, I'm just going in with some makeup to put them on my parts to make my parts look a little neater. At this point, child, I was feeling myself after I put that makeup on them parts. This looked like my real hair. Now, baby hair time. Check out this baby hair tutorial, y'all. It's real quick, so make sure y'all paying attention. So you want to cut your baby hair short. You don't want to make your baby hair too long because real baby hair is not long. So, you know, all the girls love cutting their baby hair, their real baby hair. So you want to make sure you cut your baby hair short. You're going to take a small flat iron and you're just going to curl those baby hairs upward. The reason you are curling your baby hair upward is to make the baby hair swooping process way easier. So real quick, I'm going to take some Gorilla Snot. You can get this from any beauty supply store, Target. You can get it from literally anywhere. So I take the Gorilla Snot in the purple bottle and I put some on my hand. And I'm going to take my edge brush. I'm going to dip my edge brush in that Gorilla Snot. And we're going to start the swooping process. Now, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This wig and this style is giving. I got so many compliments on my hair when I left the salon, y'all. If you think about doing a half up, half down style, do it. Because I love these styles. They so quick and easy and they cute. Especially with curly hair. Now we're done. We finished. Y'all, this is definitely a look. I like this wig so much. And thank you, Ali Pearl, for sending me this wig. It's fire, okay? Let me show y'all how I look when I finished. Wow, girl, you so fine. Y'all, this wig fire. Go cop. I'll see y'all next video. Love y'all. Bye.